Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can leave a note on Facebook Messenger. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Messenger, then click on the three lines on the top left, then click on the settings cog on the top right. Once you're on here, underneath your profile name, it should give you the option to leave a note. So you just want to tap on there. And obviously this can be useful if people are trying to get in touch with you and you may be away or busy at work or any other information you might want them to know. And it'll just let you know underneath, friends can see your note for 24 hours. People won't get a notification when you share. So you can just write in something like, I'm away on holiday, be back soon. Then just select share at the top right. So once you come out of here, when you're on your home page for Facebook Messenger, you'll see the little note above your profile picture. So that's how you can leave a note on Facebook Messenger. Thanks for watching.